Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook garlic butter mussels. Okay, so these are all the ingredients: salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, butter, garlic, onions, ginger, and tomatoes, bell pepper, chilies, and then parsley. Okay, and mussels. I boiled the mussels already, guys. So these, look at, we're gonna get this one. Okay, that one. This one. Okay, that one. I'm gonna get some. So this is it, that one. I already cleaned that one already. Okay, so we're gonna get this hairy part like this. This one, that hair. Okay, this one more. Okay, that one. Okay, maybe we're gonna do like this so that it's very easy. It's not easy. Okay. Once, guys, that's the 1 kilo, guys. So that's it only. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna start cooking now. Okay. So we're gonna add the butter. Okay. So much garlic. Then the onions. And then the ginger, guys. This one, the tomatoes and the chilies. Bell pepper. Pepper. A little soy sauce. Because our mussels is not so much also. The 1 kilo is not so much. Look at that one, guys. Look at that one, guys. Of the onions. Okay. The onions, guys. Okay, let's simmer for 1 to 2 minutes so that sauce will absorb in the mussels. I'll cover it. Mussels. I'm done. Okay, we add just a little, a pinch of salt only. Just very little. And then, guys, garnish with parsley. Oh. Garlic butter mussels or butter garlic mussels. Okay. It's very yummy, guys. Time. Okay. It's yummy. Okay, guys, so this is it. Garlic butter mussels is done. That's super yummy. And then see you tomorrow for another recipe, and thank you for watching, guys.